Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Talat Waheed. In previous video I told you about union and union all operators. So let's talk about aggregate function. So aggregate function, it returns value of multiple rows grouped together as input on certain criteria to form a single value. Okay, so it is using various functions like this: main function, max, count, sum and average. Okay, so these are the various aggregate functions. So let's talk about main function. Let's see what is main function. So main function, it returns the smallest value of selected column. Okay, whenever you are selecting any column, then it will return the smallest value of that column. Okay, so let's see, this is the syntax: select main column name from table name where condition. Okay, so let's see, this is the example: select main salary from employees. So here it will return the minimum salary of employees table. Okay, and we can also use column alias with as keyword. Okay, so it will return with minimum column name. So let's check it in the terminal. So this is employees table. Okay, so let's suppose we have to apply on age column. So just write it here: select min and enter your column name. Okay, so I'm writing it here: age from table name, which is employees. Okay, so let's see what will be the output. Here is showing 20. 20 is the minimum value of each column, that's why it's showing 20. Okay, so let's check it with next. We can also write as with as keyword, which is column alias. Okay, minimum, so it will show you as minimum age. Okay, so let's see what will be the output. Here is showing 20 with minimum age. If you don't know what is column alias, then check it in my description. I have added link of that video in description below. Okay, so let's check it with next. Employee ID, so it's returning 1 because 1 is the minimum value of employee ID. Okay, so let's apply on name column. Let's see what will be the output. Okay, so just change the column name here, enter name from employees. Here is showing Eliza because A is the smallest alphabetical order, that's why it's showing Eliza. Okay, so let's check it with another example. Let's see. Okay, let's apply on salary. So just write it here: salary column. Okay, from employees. Here is showing 1,50,000. Okay, which is the minimum salary of employees table. Okay, and next, max function, it returns the largest value of selected column. Okay, so syntax: select max column name from table name where condition. Okay, let's see what is the example of it. So select max salary from employees. So it will return the maximum salary of employees table. Okay, and we can also use as keyword with column alias. Okay, so let's check in the terminal how it is working. So this is employees table. Okay, so just write it here: query, select, enter max, and in bracket write your column name. Okay, so let's suppose employee ID from table name, which is employees. Okay, so here is showing 6 because 6 is the maximum value of employee ID. Okay, so let's check it with another example. Okay, so let's change the column name. Here is showing age. So age is 38 because 38 is the maximum value of age column. Okay, so let's apply on next column. Okay, so let's suppose name. Okay, so here is showing Ross because R is the greatest or largest alphabetical order, that's why it's showing Ross. Okay, so let's check it with another example. So just write it here, change the column name. Okay, max in bracket write salary. So it's showing like this: this is the maximum salary of employees column. Okay, you can also use column alias. So just write it here as keyword and enter your column name. Okay, new column name. So here is showing maximum value, maximum salary is like this. Okay, so if you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. So let's see what's next. So our next topic is count function. Okay, so next, this is my channel. I have added shorts, and I have added MySQL playlist and my Python for beginners playlist, and then I have added MySQL Hindi playlist, advanced MySQL playlist. Okay, go check out my videos and please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.